Lucky's Wheels and Deals today. Come on, man, let me show y'all. Yeah, I'm about to decide to go with the drop-in. Usually I go with the, I don't know, I just want to try something different, you know? Like a lot of people are saying, because you put the cold air and take the ram air one that I always put, and the heat sucks it in. I want to see what it does. I guess this box look like it goes all the way to the bottom or whatever into the fender. Well, yeah, it look like it's coming from here in the fender. So, it look like it'll be sucking, you know, more cooler air in. But we're gonna see how it works, how it performs. Does it make a difference? Yeah or no? Or we're gonna pop this.
I mean, okay, so I understand it when you change the whole cold air intake system.
Yeah.
I understand that, but changing the filter, it should just be like changing a regular air filter.
It's a high flow air filter. High flow.
Oh.
It's not. It's
we ain't never used one of them.
Well, they have them in cars that we sold before.
Yeah.
But
maybe
AutoZone used to have a little thing with the ball with the air, like a little air box with the ball. So no air is gonna flow through this.
That shit is hell no. No air is gonna flow through that. But I'm saying that one's exactly the same. How is it any different other than it being brand new?
No, it's different material. It's a whole different material. All types of different material.
Oh yeah.
But it's gonna air actually goes through this. The brand new ones of these airs don't really go through this.
Look, this one looks like it was factory.
Like they have a machine where you put this on top of the, like there's an airflow where you got a one of those little bottles, the white balls in it. So you put this on there, it blows air straight through, so the ball go through. You put this on there, the ball goes land back down on the ground.
Oh.
Over there. So basically, this is just a high flow.
All the way off?
No, you just pop this up in there.
Well, we're gonna have to see how this one works, huh?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's gonna work better than that. I know that much.
But we're not gonna hear that psh noise.
I never heard these cars make that. That's mainly the 3800s that be making that noise. I never really heard these cars. Did your Monte Carlo used to do that?
Yeah, because I had the whole cold air intake on there. So this is all new for us because we haven't tried one of these regular ones.
I haven't tried one of these ones. God damn, this motherfucker won't go in there. There you go. It's in there flushed.
He didn't even take anything apart.
No, this
only those little clips.
Yep. Let me make sure this shit is in there even. This damn thing is broken. I need to get another one.
The box?
Nah, another one of these latches.
Oh, this latch?
Broken.
Oh.
I'm gonna go to Savager and go grab one. Yeah, I guess.
Oh, you see this little Cavalier? I've been scooting that around all day. Little thing runs good.
That's for sale.
Look, $22 filled it up.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Super gas saver. Super gas saver. So yeah, we're just gonna throw this one away, man.
Heck yeah. That one looked like it's been on since it came out the off the factory line. Shit. Yeah. Have you changed your cabin air filter?
So yeah, I already changed that. I changed the cabin air filter because the cabin air filter's up in here. I already changed that out. Let's see. I think it's supposed to come with some type of stickers or something. Okay, man. I'll put this on.
Gotta brand it.
Somewhere. Usually people put it right here. Should I put it right here? Or right here?
Where?
People usually put it right on this. part. Like
yeah,
right
it probably will stick better.
Right there. Or should I just put it on top of this?
It doesn't even have K&N.
Yeah, no. It's white.
My bad. I was like, where is it? You're just putting the stripes on there?
Sure.
Oh. I like these little stickers.
Right here.
Yeah.
I know over that bump. So it ain't gonna be flush. But, oh.
Clean. We're official. K&N filter.
That shit look like it's about to blow off. Oh well.
You haven't started it up yet? You haven't started it up for them yet? Uh-oh.
This is what I was supposed to put on there. That was supposed to go there. This part supposed to go in the box. Wash it tonight. Throw away.
How many times? I wonder how many times you can wash it before you have to throw it away.
We're going to find out, but not today. Trying to recycle some shit. Keep using some shit. I'm put that right there.
For the next owner?
Yeah, for the next owner, but I ain't selling it, man. I'm keeping it. Keeping this motherfucker.
Please do.
Yeah, I know I said I wasn't gonna put the mufflers on there, but I had to, man. The motherfucker's too quiet, man. Too quiet.
I told you guys that's what he was gonna do.
Yeah, she said it. She knew. She know me. This motherfucker's too quiet.
We have too many loud cars. Uh-huh. Okay.
Quiet. Too quiet.
I was gonna take it and do it myself and surprise him with it, but I was like, no, he's way too picky on, oh no, they're not sitting right and this one looks crooked, and yeah. So I talked him into it, you guys.
Yeah, she was trying to do it. I'm like, nah, I'm too picky when it comes to that type of shit. Guess that's gonna work. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. Let's start it up. See what it sounds like.
Look at the vet over there, covered up.
It's too cold for the vet.
It's way too damn
cover
cold.
on. He got a cover on.
Raining ice. Those lights look clean too. Do it again. That's how a V8's supposed to sound.
That's how it's supposed to sound. Go by the filter and see if you hear it. I don't really hear it though.
A little. But you changed out the tips, right?
Oh yeah, I changed out the tips.
Changed out the tips.
Right. Make me fall in love with the car all over again.
Told you can't have no quiet V8. That's just not possible. Yeah, wanting to get rid of this car, knowing he's tripping. Knowing these cars, this specific car belongs in our family. I hate I got rid of mine. But yeah, it sounds right. Heck yeah. So it's no sale let.
Someone just got to come with the money. I mean, everything's for sale, but I ain't trying to sell it. I'm gonna put more money into it. Fuck it. Dump more money in it. I got more shit. I'm gonna go repaint it.
Yeah, that's next.
I'm about to do the calipers, go up under the wheel well.
Drilled and slotted?
Drilled and slotted. You already know, man. More shit, you know, a whole bunch of other little shit. I got shit coming. Basically, I got shit coming. I'm gonna just take it easy, take my time. I ain't gonna rush. I got way too many projects. I said that before.
That's his problem. Look, that's his problem.
I gotta sell some shit to fund this, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta sell some shit. I need yeah, I need to sell some shit. I need to sell some shit to fund this car. Fund my other project. Sell these projects to fund my other projects.
Yep, the project that matters.
yeah. I need to fund it. But just like that, this video's over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky Wheels and Deals, and I'm out. Yay!